Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you the structure of a Makefile. Now if you don't know, a Makefile is basically if you have two files, right? And you want to combine them together into one program. That's what Makefiles are for, but it's also if you want to be stylish and stuff. You can also just do it for that reason. So yeah, I'm letting you go free, and I'm gonna do some stuff. So yeah, so yeah, I have some code on my other screen. So yeah, I'm gonna be compiling that. So first, what you need is so you want to go to your web browser. If we go to your web browser, and you want to go to you want to go to this website, sigwin.com/install.html. All the links will be in the description. So run setup. We get this, right? I'm gonna get this file. I already have it, so it's right here. And I'm gonna get this. So you want to get install from internet, and you want to choose your install directory. Choose your package directory. I'm going to do d:/packages. Make sure you do direct connection. And you want to choose the first website, which is this. And now you're going to wait for this to load. If it loads, okay. So you need these four things. You need GCC-core, which is right here. GCC-G++, GDB, and the most important thing, make, which basically gets a Makefile. And then you do next, and then you hit next to install. I'm not gonna install it because I already have it. So yeah, let's get started. So we're just gonna get main.c. This Makefiles work for C++ and C, I think. So I'm gonna get this. So here we go. We have some C code, which I made. I'm gonna change this to hello world, and then we have this. Now we're just gonna make a file called Makefile. And remember how you installed GCC? Yeah, that's gonna be our compiler. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the output. So basically, when you compile, it's gonna make an exe, and you want to type in the name of that exe. So I'm gonna call it main.exe. If you're on Linux, then you can also type main.exe. That doesn't matter. And then you want to do donuts.c. This tutorial is not for Linux, so Linux users, go ahead and go in another video. So do GCC. So okay, then you want to hit enter, and then it's the most important rule of the Makefile. Hit tab. Do not type 8 spaces. Hit tab. Okay, that's the #1 rule. Then do GCC-O, and then not donut.c. Sorry, I've been looking at a donut thing. So main.c, just type in the name of your C file, and you're gonna do donut. And then also but in this video I'm guessing that you already have all the the C programs and stuff, like the C extension for Visual Studio Code. If you don't have that, then go ahead and download that. So then do gcc-o, not donut, oh my god. So main, and I named it, so main.c, and then ln. Alright, so you're going to get a new terminal. Mine's called Makefile test, so we're just going to do make, and it's going to make an exe. So now we can run that. Oh wait, there you go, and it prints hello world. There you go, and we can do like much more complicated make files. I'm gonna pull one out right now. Just gonna smack it out of nowhere. 1 second. Alright, so that's like the least complicated makefile. Like this is the least complicated. You can't go any more simpler than this. This is the least complicated that you can go. The most complicated you can go is this, which it's about 26 lines long. So basically, it's this. I remember I did not make this code. This is from cs.colby.edu, I guess. It's not they're not sponsoring this video. Libs or libraries, lm. Dependencies, so the dependencies are going to be main.c, and the objs are going to be, now we don't have any objs, so we're just going to keep this, I guess. So yeah, and then we have clean and all this. So now since we got that, yeah. So this is needed by hello make, which this is not hello make. This is main.exe, and this is gonna be so yeah, we're gonna get rid of obj. So yeah, there we go. And then we're gonna make, alright, del main.exe. And then make. Error, sorry, 1 second. Alright, so, alright. This is gonna be a little bit more better. And dash L, so this is gonna be LM. The compiler is gonna be GCC. And dependencies are gonna be main.c, so this is basically telling it what to compile. And then we got this, so hello make, and it's not hello make, it's main.exe, and then we're just gonna do make. Okay, that's low. We can do this one. Yeah, this should work for you. So you can just do main.exe. This saves us some time, a little bit. And we're gonna, oh god, we're gonna set this main.c since we're only working with one file. And yeah, so we really only need main.c. And then we're just going to make. If, Yeah, I'm guessing that I'm not gonna go with much detail into the other make files, but this is all you can get. So I'm gonna undo all of this. No, don't undo that. No. Control Y. So we're just gonna there you go. So yeah, that's how you use make files. So now you can just type in make, one command, and you're done. Another thing, if you don't want to spend the rest of your life making a make file, you can just do a batch file, which basically does the same thing as a make file, but it's a batch file, and there's one more step needed. You have to do dot backslash instead of using just the zebra in the utility of saying make. But I think a bat file is easier. Since I'm just stylish, I just go for the make files. So yeah, that's a make file. I'm gonna open up a bigger project, which is Donut. By the way, check out my GitHub for this if you wanna actually get access to this. Now, as you can see, no, I don't want you. Okay, so here we have 3 files: donut.c and Makefile. Forget about readme.md. That's just the readme for my GitHub. So now we just do make, and this is the same default make file. It's just another command because, I'm just too fancy. I want more text. So yeah, I'm just gonna hit enter, and then there we got a donut.exe. And but by the way, I did not make donut.c or the donut.exe. I did not make donut.c. All I made is a make file and read me down. So donut.exe dot backslash donut.exe, and then we got a little donut. I have to resize the terminal for this. Okay. Also, by the way, there we go. There we go. We got a little donut spinning. Yeah, so that is a good brief tutorial of how to use and how to code make files. So yeah, that's pretty much needed for like every C and C++ project, a make file, or you just build it, which I'm thinking you have to get a lot of stuff for that. So make files are like really easy to build. I mean, they just build and then you just run, that's it, but like, building is way more harder than making a make file. You have to download so much stuff. So yeah, or if you just are not lazy, you can just do this. Basically, this command is the same thing about the make file. It's the same thing. You just do this and it compiles. So yeah. It just compiles, so there you go, compiles. I know. Main.exe dot backslash main. There you go. So yeah, make files are useful for laziness and I guess stuff. So yeah, that is my brief tutorial of how to use make files. Also, if you're a little bit stuck, make sure it's called Makefile, okay? It has to be called Makefile. If it's not called Makefile, if it's called file make, it's not gonna work. But you can do Makefile like this with not a capital M. But I just prefer doing this because I just feel like that's more safer, and that's what most people do. So yeah. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.